Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Wednesday, February 17, 2021. It is 10:00, 30 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, leukemia. So let's hop to it here. Early step toward leukemia drug therapy. Focus on adult, AML has revealed encouraging results. Date February 16, 2021. Source McMaster University. Summary. The team has discovered that for acute myeloid leukemia, AML patients, there is a dopamine receptor pathway that becomes abnormally activated in the cancer stem cells. This inspired the clinical investigation of a dopamine receptor inhibiting drug thyroidazine as a new therapy for patients, and their focus on adult AML has revealed encouraging results. A McMaster stem cell research team has made an important step in developing a new class of therapeutics for patients with a deadly blood cancer. AML is a particularly deadly cancer that starts with a DNA mutation in the blood stem cells of a bone marrow that produce too many infection-fighting white blood cells. According to the Canadian Cancer Society, about 21% of people diagnosed with AML will survive at least 5 years. We have successfully understood the mechanism by which the drug benefited patients, and we are using this information to develop a new, more tolerable formulation of the drug that is likely to work in some of the patients. The Phase 1 study of 13 patients is being featured on the cover of the Journal of Cell Reports Medicine published today. The research team has continued to carefully analyze and further refine their therapeutic approach and results of the initial trial. These achievements highlight the importance of the new paradigm of that issues impacting patients can be taken to the lab, bench, and solutions back to patients. These bed-to-bench and back-to-bed approaches and partnerships to advance novel therapeutics, Canadians suffering from cancer. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.